whatever he decided to do, he was going to do it well. He always wanted to do better than anyone else. Always.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Not a whole lot, man. This is Eddie, man. Do you remember me? I know it's been a while.
Yeah. You made me the picture. That picture is amazing. Every time I look at it, it's still awesome.
Yeah, I still do that, man. Photography.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was thinking about maybe upgrading pistol, you know, because the one that I had, it was an expensive gun, and now it's becoming a habit and a hobby. And
buying guns is becoming a habit?
Well, yeah, I'm going to the range at least three times a week, man, and I'm pretty good.
You must make pretty good money doing the photography thing if you can go to the range 3 times a week. You still there?
Maybe. No, but I was like, why do I need an AR pistol?
Yeah. No,
yeah,
I do.
You hear me?
I do this. Yeah, I can hear you. I do the same thing. I just bought 2 new ones the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the Elite.
Steven, can you hear me?
Yes. Hold on a second. Let me call you back, okay? 215 6. Louder.
Yes, Eddie.
Okay. Hopefully that'll be a little better.
Yeah, that's a lot better, but
okay. So, what was I going to say? The Kydex, I love them. The one I have, I am so glad I got it. But it's more of like a competition pistol instead of the Elite. I looked at the Elites. That one's about like $600.
And well, it depends where you buy it. I mean, if you go into the website, the one that I like, the Elite Combat, is like almost $850.
Yeah, they're expensive. I would have gotten that one, but it was a little out of my price range. But no, if you get it, I guarantee you, if you don't like it, I'll buy it back. I'll buy it from you. You'll love it.
Already?
Yeah, you will love it. Everybody that I've talked to, and me going out there and just handling it, it feels really good in your hand.
Yeah. I look at the other Kydex, and for some reason, it was just the Elite, Executive, and the Combat. Actually, they feel really good in my hand.
Yeah.
You know, and the trigger is just amazing, though.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything to them unless you just want to. Unless you just want to pimp it out or something.
Well, no, I mean, this is for home defense, but like, once I go to the range, I must. I mean, it's just the one that I haven't had a malfunction. I see.
Right.
And I put 9,000 rounds through it.
Wow.
It still runs like a charm.
Yeah.
But no, like I said, it's an inexpensive pencil, and I wanted to get a little something more. I think it has a longer barrel.
Right.
It gives you a little more accuracy.
Yeah, you could put like a compensator on it, or if you have the money to buy a silencer and get the license for it. Oh, you're in Texas. You don't have to get that, do you?
Yeah. With all this new legislation, man, it's crazy over here.
Yeah, no, I want to move back to Texas. It's I don't know. There's just a lot of things I like about that place. So I do have a mold for it, and it's supposed to fit all the TPs. What I can do is I can press one for you.
Well, I haven't bought the gun yet. I went to the range, and the guys had it right there, and they have it on discount. They have the Elite Compact for like $750.
Get it. Don't even wait. Get it. Seriously. Because somebody will snatch it up.
Yeah. So, that's what I was totally going to go tomorrow and just picked it up. It comes in a case and a whole bunch of little gadgets and kits, and it comes with tags.
Yeah.
But, like I said, I started seeing some reviews, and I said, I'm going to call Steve and see what he feels like, what his thoughts are.
Yeah.
So you think it's a good gun?
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Sounds good. Well, let me tell you what I'm gonna work right now, but tomorrow when I go, if they still have it, I'll buy it, and I just shoot you either a message or something and say, go ahead and get it started.
Okay.
Remember that I have the all light, little small light for the gun.
Right.
The doors. I'll probably want to move that into the Kydex.
Okay. They have a new one out. I'm not telling you what to do.
The laser?
Yeah, the Baldwin, I think it's called, something like that.
Yeah, with the green laser, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, maybe I can get that one too. Do you have that one, or you need to order that one?
I would need to order it. I've had a couple people ask me to make stuff with that one on it, and if it's one, I can't really afford to do that. But if it's a few, then yeah, then I can go ahead and buy it. But this is what I was going to tell you. I was going to do to make sure that it'll fit. I can form the one that I have, and I can send it to you just to make sure that it'll fit for it. Okay.
Okay. Well, let me see if they have the gun. You know, because like you say, if it's that great of a deal, they're probably already gone.
Right.
Know?
Well,
But,
call them up and go, hold it.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but yeah. So, do you recommend a green dot, a red dot for the gun, or just get the ones with the sights on?
I think it's really a personal preference. Me personally, I'd go red if they had red. But if all they have is the green, then you know that it's just another way to aim. I think the red would stand out better, especially like if you use it during a daylight. I think the green would be harder to see. So yeah, that does it have like a cutout to put like a sight on the top of it? I think it does, doesn't it?
Like the elites, yes, they're already optics ready.
Okay.
Yeah, the base models they don't. They're a little less expensive. I mean, like maybe 500s, but
Yeah, no, I would go ahead and spend the little extra money because then you already have it and it's there in case you want to put something on the top of it.
all right, Papa. Well, sounds good, man. So let me give them a call, see if they have it, and see if I can go pick it up tomorrow. And if I pick it up tomorrow, I'll give you a buzz.
Okay.
And just you can start pressing it and just tell me how much it is for the holster.
Okay.
And just you remember the one you did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just same stuff.
Okay.
Sounds good, man. How you been? You doing okay? Family good?
Yeah, I'm kind of starting to transition between this job and some kind of online sales thing. Hopefully, it's going to pan out and because I hate my job right now. I so hate it.
Just step by steps.
Yeah.
Right now it's kind of crazy after the pandemic, and things they're crazy everywhere, man. We live in a very different world.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, sounds good, Steven. Well, I'll let you get back to work, man. It was nice chatting with you, and I'll touch base with you. If I talk to him today and they can hold it, I'll send you a text and let you know. I can start pressing it.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, it would just be a basic one just to make sure that mold fits that gun.
Absolutely, not a problem, man. That'll be great.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Steven. Talk to you soon.
Bye. That guy, I hope he's still doing it because he has some